Okay, now see, uh, we were over here. Suppose that if I am creating in the new one, okay, suppose that I have taken ID as a first uh, ID of the student. Okay, you can take auto number also. Auto number will automatically take the numbers. Suppose that I am taking auto number. Okay, name, second one is name, second field will be name. Okay, now in this name, uh, suppose that I am taking text. Okay, because the name cannot exceed maximum 255 characters, so therefore, okay, see here you can change the size, field size. Like if you want that your text, your name of the student cannot exceed 50 characters, so you can write 50 over here. You cannot exceed it more than 255. If you will write more than 255, it will not take, it will give you error. Okay, so you cannot exceed more than 255 characters. You can write less than 255, any value you can use. Okay, so see, the text can be of maximum of 50. Suppose that I am taking the next field, date of birth, DOB. Okay, now in this, if I am taking the, okay, like see, it is giving error, it is saying error that you cannot insert the dot in field name, so I have to remove dot. Okay, now here you can take the field name as date and time. Now here you can check the format. Inside the format you can select anyone. Suppose that I am selecting the first one, general date. Okay, I think the data was already filled in the first video. That is why it was not getting selected. Here the data has not filled, that is why the things are getting selected. Okay, now after that the new next is paid fees, student photo, okay, and all. So I will select paid fees, or fees paid or not, PAID or not. Okay, this will be the second option. If it is paid, then I will tick, then you can take yes or no, yes or no as a field option. Okay, the format can be changed here as well. If you want to change on, off, true, false, whatever this you can check, you can select. We will select yes or no. Okay, and after that the next one was student photo. Okay, I will take STUPIC. okay, this will be the new field name, and here student photo will be uh, student photo will be OLE object. We can take OLE object as a student photo data type. Okay, in OLE object we can upload pictures or files up to 1 or 2 GB. I think the capacity is 1 or 2 GB. Okay, after this we will take website. You can take, okay, okay, website, or you can say link. Okay, link. For link you can use hyperlink. You can use hyperlink as a data type. Okay, yes, for a website, hyperlink. Then I will take document, and then city on down. Then I will take document, DOC, doc. Okay, in the document I will take attachment, and then city or place. Okay, city or place. In this city or place, I will take lookup wizard. Okay, now listen, now see carefully what is a lookup wizard over here. When you will select a lookup wizard, it will automatically ask you whether I want the lookup column to look up values in the table or a query. Okay, so out of this you will select the first one. If you already have the value, I will type the value that I want. If you want to type your own value, then you will select this one. Okay, so I will select the first one, then select the next. There are no tables or a query that our lookup wizard can get values for. So the most enter your own data, continue with the wizard. Okay, so I will write the value by own because the data are not there, so that is why the data is not there, that is why it is I am selecting this first one. Next option. Now here see, I have taken one column. Okay, you have to verify that whether you want to take one column or whatever. So I will select only one column because in the city and place there only one column is required. Like it can be Bagha, it can be Patna, it can be Delhi, it can be Noida, whatever. So only one column is required. In one column only different cities, different place names can be written because one student will stay at one location itself. Okay, so I will select first one column and then I will write city and place. Okay, now here allow multiple values. Okay, I'll have to add the values also. I'll have to add the value also here, like what are the cities or what are the place name. I'll have to add it. Like suppose that first city or first place name is Bagha, Bagha, Bagha. Okay, then Patna. Okay, I will edit and then I will resume the video. Okay, now you can see I have already added some names of the cities. Okay, so after adding the names of some cities, I'll have to press enter over here. Okay, wait. Okay, after pressing next button, you can see the city and place is coming. Now one option is given here, allow multiple values. If you will select allow multiple values, then in this case you will get a chance to select two cities at a time. Okay, so suppose that if I am selecting this allow multiple values and then finish, now you will able to see. Now I have already completed my lookup wizard. Now when I will start entering the data in the datasheet view, now here I will go to the datasheet view. I'll have to save this. Okay, now see the field is already completed. Okay, ID name is there, name of the student is there, date of birth. Okay, fee paid or not. Now here see yes or no I had selected, that is why boxes are appearing. Student pic I have to upload, link I have to upload, attachment, this is the attachment one, then the city. Now see I have to enter the first ID of the student. I had taken auto number, so when I will click on this position, I will enter the data. Suppose that I am entering the name of the student, any name I can enter, like Rahul. Okay, Rahul. Now see the name has already, the number of the student has already started. Okay, after that I'll have to select the date of birth. When I have came to the date of birth option, I had taken date and ID, date and time as a data type, so I'll have to select the date. Any date you can select, it will get displayed over here. Okay, see, I had chosen the format as time also, but it is not appearing. Okay, now here you'll have to select whether the fees is paid. If it is paid, you can select it tick. If it is not paid, you can deselect it. Okay, now student pick. Here I had taken OLE object. So in OLE object, what happens, you'll have to right click on this and then insert object option will appear. Now in insert object option, you can either create a new object and insert, otherwise you can create from the file, or you can create from the file. Like if it is already created and you want to store from the file, then you can select this one. So if you want to create a file, then what kind of file you want to create? It can be Adobe document, Adobe Photoshop image, bitmap image, okay, or a Microsoft file, Microsoft Excel, or whatever, PowerPoint document, Word document file, okay, Open document file, XML, okay, WordPress file, whatever file you want to choose, you can select it from here. Suppose that if I want to, my file is already created and I want to select it from there, then I will select this option, browse, okay, and after browsing, suppose that if I want to upload picture only, I'll go to picture, sample picture, okay. From here, suppose that if I want to upload this one, I will select this and press OK button. Now see, a package is showing over here. It means the image has been uploaded. If you want to see the image, you can double click on this, you will able to see the image, okay. It means the image has been uploaded. Now in the link, it can be a website, so whatever text you will type, it will appear in blue color. It means this is a link. Now see, if I will take my mouse cursor to this, wait, now see, if I will take my mouse cursor to this, it is showing as a link. You can see here HTTP is also showing. It means it has created as a link. Now here, if you want to upload a image, a document, then again here you will double click on this particular zero option, okay, and from here you can click the add button. Now again, if you want to upload image or any other file document like Word file, video, or whatever, suppose that if you want to select video, you will click on this video option, okay, and whatever video you want to upload. Suppose that this is a sample video, you can select this sample video and you will press OK button. Now see, it has from 0, it has become 1. It means one video has been uploaded. Now again, if you want to see this, you can double click on this, you will able to see this. Now coming to the last one, that was the lookup wizard. Now how lookup wizard looks alike? We had selected some cities name. Now see, you can see some cities names are appearing over here, okay. Suppose that I stay in Bagha, so I will select Bagha and press OK. Now see, Bagha will appear. In the next column, I will enter some other students' detail like John, okay. Then date of birth I will select. I'll have to select the date of birth, okay. Same date of birth as select the fees. Again, package. If you want to select the package, what you will do, you will right click over here, insert object, okay. What kind of object you want to insert, you can select it. Otherwise, you can go to here and select whatever other kind of object. Like if you want to select some files, you will go to document, okay. If you want to select a Word file over here, then you can select this one, okay. Home, press OK and OK. Now see, if you will click on this, a Word file will get open over here. Got it? Okay, again you can select this one. Again, if you want to select an image or some other files, here also you can select different kinds of files. Okay, like okay, if this web page you want to select, you can select it. See, one has been opened. If you want to view this, you have to click on this and it will take you to this. This is a website. Okay, so this is the way you have to select. Now here, if you want to select two cities together, so in this particular boxes you can select two or more than two. Okay, so this is the way. See, Gorakhpur and Nagpur both are appearing. So this is the way how you can create a data sheet, a database. Okay, in the next video I will show you how to create a relationship between the tables. Okay, so till then, thank you. You can watch the video completely and check. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask in the comment box or to the me. Thank you.